Hi everyone.
Hi. We've been asked a lot lately, what is a condominium? There seems to be a little bit of a misunderstanding about what a condominium is. And just to touch on that today real quick, I'll only go into residential to keep it short. Residential condominium can be one of many things. We've got condominium townhouses, we've got condominium high-rises, and although not as common around here, there's also condominium detached. A condominium is basically when you own this specific unit, but you also own a portion of what's called the common elements, which is if you're, let's say you're in a condominium townhouse complex, you'll own your specific unit, and then you also have the common elements is basically like the grass being cut in the whole complex, the snow being plowed, the roofs being maintained, water, that kind of stuff.
Parking areas, amenities,
right,
tennis courts, sometimes swimming pools.
Right. And those are considered your common elements. And the common elements is shared and owned by everybody that has an ownership in one of the condominiums as well. That's a condominium. There's a confusion sometimes condominium townhouses and freehold townhouses as well. Although they look very similar, the ownership is slightly different. Fee.
Now we have buyers who want to avoid condominiums because they don't want those added fees. And what I advise is sometimes take a look at what's included and what the cost is. Because if we have a water included, which can run us, give or take, $50 to $80,000, sorry, $50 to $80.
That's a lot of water.
That's a lot of water. On the average per month, and then we have cable is $50 a month. Then we have property insurance. Property insurance, depending on the property, you're looking at $800 to $1,200.
So it's important to take a look at the actual what's called the status of the condominium to make sure that it's in good financial health, it's being properly managed, and that there's not a lot of extra fees due to bad management, special assessments, that sort of thing. This is where we help you, and this is where the lawyers would do what's called a status certificate review. So there's some information for you. Yeah. We look forward to speaking to you again, and have a good weekend.
And again, please keep in mind these are very condensed answers. If you want us to give you a little more of a extended version and a little more in-depth information about this, call us. We'll be glad to.
Right.
Okay, take care. Bye everybody.